It's here for Memamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, in Sembi Ababonte, na say I've been keeping you guys updated on Kweku Menu any evangelist adai. Bomu beef na air course social media na saying no. Every day, Bomunia will be a release video. Answer the better and subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. We are. Latest news we about Sabeka and then that screen to send your bell and therefore now my genesis of the story send you sending near a buy first not beef no between evangelist Adai and Vivian Joe and our Kwekumenu and then a number two more evangelist Adai the Kwekumenu so it's in now back and forth but this whole beef has actually exposed a side of evangelist Adai I've never seen before. Machamo say this particular issue, first, Michelle says I may report it on Evangelist Adai and Vivian James. No, I was taking sides because now make us say I'm not Evangelist Adai work and say Benanya and him. But I'm going for frame it to me for. International, my imagine say Evangelist Adai any will be answered bar. I'll just act on the neutral ground. My imagine say may report it. Into no more asema mo bekin bia no na mo aka me hu say ya debate bi ekoso ewo eye comment box ni mo eye evangelist Adai followers ba e be di atem na te say na ekoso this is major ama mo na mo aye ntokwa no na etie for ensem no the latest ne say nansen Kweku Menu etoto ma evangelist Adai pa na me assure say Kweku Menu has noticed this say me din kan kire no there's a side of evangelist Adai I never knew. Aside ne say who nim na wo kobo mame water din na wo say mame water din evangelist Adai eye ne yapa. That's the side I've actually noticed now. Na evangelist Adai obi a na wo di Jesus Christ atem otumi di Allah atem na fiansa me hu say evangelist Adai so wudi mame water atem a ehye ne pa endra enwumre evangelist Adai babonten ebeye live video no den sembi etudwa na wo ma warning, strong warning. It's for na mema the sequence of how the event all happened. Kweku Menu ekeka nsem na nsem wokeka nsem say evangelist Adai eso mame water na tell say mame water ye Jimmy for tell say wa wo hwa Kweku Menu ekasa emanichi evangelist Adai na de bia meka say religion is one thing that it could bring war because say nia we have different beliefs na me ba ebedi say be wo nyame atema wonti ase emame nti no ye hwa religion ye ade ba ko a wan hwe ne ye ana wo kasa na wan ko kasa yi a etumi man tokwa esi ati ase na evangelist Adai be ye video no the first thing wo kan say osi Kweku Menu mesrel jai say wo kasa the first thing wo kan yo osi Kweku Menu na say uye videos a wo kasa efa mame water ho mesrel jai mame water nsem na wo kan no Jaimame watansem na woka no na you are digging your own amena ati ase wo se de Kweku Menu eye no wo dege amena bia Kweku Menu no no ohun de wo ye nti no wonjai no wieye na wo de boss say wo no evangelist Adai no na ha say no make correction bi wa say because evangelist Adai babonte be ka say wo no evangelist Adai no Ghana for enim de ekun abas because lately Kweku Menu ebe attack evangelist Adai and evangelist Adai babontin ebe chese Kumawood actor Abbas wo ye I think late last year or say earlier this year no evangelist Adai babontin ebe ka say Kweku Menu ekun Abbas Kweku Menu babontin be chese onu Kweku Menu ne kra na chese Abbas wo ne no ewo Kumawood mu but onye na down for wo nim no what ase it no evangelist Adai esanso boso say wo no evangelist Adai ene Ghana for wo mu nim de ekun Abbas nti Kweku Menu embra bontin embe explain na correction na me say me make was and say me report on MSS asem ne by the breaking news we break is news no embra Abbas wo ye no na me report on that story no me mamunia motiase say Abbas no de see and say Abbas ne master Abbas no ye adwuma ema driver bi ewo eye station bar station nti ne master no ne yere what ya say ne yere ni nua eba afie ho se woni omo be ye gidigidi na ne master no ne yere no ni nua boy no ye friend survivor oye obi a nkrofo ni no kuma se ne ni so ohye nti de bi oba fie ho ebe ye gidigidi nti sa de no oba afie ho be ye gidigidi no na Abbas no ene ne master ne enam wati ase ena Abbas ka se oh survivor ne de wo ye me small boy meko na me ne na kokasa Inti Abbas call say one survivor ne kwa kasa no na survivor ne bu fuye say adan na opese wo patame na survivor ne twe second of the war Abbas kun wo ho na inti no this is the story of police one ka report here Abbas ne master Babontin ebe confirm that particular story inti no say Evangelist Adai Babontin abeka say Ghana fu onim de ekun Abbas no there I'll make a correction there now as we are going forward no Kweku Menu make some claims here and also make correction well because it's just fair. Say Evangelist Adai make statements not wronger. Now make my correction. Kweku Menu so make statement. I also need to correct him. That's the first correction on the side of Evangelist Adai. And no dear, you move be reported on that story. No, you name the ekun Abbas. Into Evangelist Adai bontia because say Ghana for name the ekun Abbas. And no and said that enye na kre ewo. Na Evangelist Adai we ya no na body chia so. But my main try must say video way Evangelist Adai no time I watch video na say na about around 10:20 na sa 10:20 no dia na Evangelist Adai na ke so order what you say 10:20 dia na ke dia na ke say order na sa 10:20 na Ghana ha say wo hwemu pa say ni video no mostly no oya Ghanaians nti wo hwe video ni mu pa Ghana ha say pa na yebeka se abobeye 3 ahomachi what you say nti say waba abonti abeye video that time there tells you how serious asem no na wo pese woka na etie for wo wie ye no emse Kweku Menu ne sense ma woka ewo ni videos mu no Kweku Menu eka say Evangelist Adai no wo mboa wo biada Evangelist Adai wo mboa wo bia na ahase so me make corrections ewa ha last year Evangelist Adai papa kasa ewo Kofi TV no Evangelist Adai papa ma yeti ase se wono Evangelist Adai papa ne kra no Evangelist Adai papa nso wa abrochi o America wati ase nti Evangelist Adai papa kasa wo Kofi TV no o ma yeti ase se Evangelist Adai ne kra so enam ono Evangelist Adai ne so na ne papa tumi ba abrochi kire se Evangelist Adai ne kra no de ne papa ba abrochi Inti no say Kweku Menu ba bonten betre say Evangelist Adai won boa wo bia and also I'll make a correction there because we know on record say at least wa boa ne papa amana ba broche ba Kweku Menu tre say Evangelist Adai no won boa wo bia won boa ne fiefo won boa wo bia ne chimu oden what you say inti no that's the correction we've made there inti no Kweku Menu so asema wakan no enye ne kre ewo ho na Evangelist Adai touch on this particular story Kweku Menu eka se wono Evangelist Adai no won boa wo bia no and Evangelist Adai ka se wono Evangelist Adai no wo ba Ghana ha se a na wo tia nkofo bebre school fees etie for munti asem ni ye wo se na wo tia nkofo bebre school fees but obe realize say wo tia nkofo ni school fees na wo mu wie school a wo mu nya ejuma nye because Ghana ye den inti no wo be ka che nkofo ne say eye Sisia no wo pese wo ko school a me de me ntia school fees bi but wo pese wo ye insan no ejuma because sisia Ghana me tia mu school fees no wie na say mu ko school na mu wi mu nya ejuma ye na tese still mu depend on me so but mo pese mu sia insan no ejuma dia eno de metia ma mo na mo ko sia because any enim say wo sia insan no ejuma na wo pon ho a wa wo ye ejuma na tese wa wo nya osika nti no wo se sisia the school fees pa de won tia but wo bia wo pese wo sia insan njuma ne de wo tia wo mo fees no emma wo mo na owie ye no na wo ka se wo no Evangelist Adai no wo ye nipa nti Kweku Menu ne kra se wo ka se wo no Evangelist Adai no mboa wo bia wati ase na eyo oboa de bia Evangelist Adai kre se wo boa de se nya Christopher ye ka se wo boa de eye Jesus Christ na Nyankopon no Evangelist Adai de wo tre se oboa de eye maame wota it was say oboa de maame wota na ebua nipa na enye ono Evangelist Adai wono de wo ye nipa wono de se wonboa wo bi kra na enye hwe he's just a human being na owie ya no ahase na etie for eye very serious owie ya no na waka che Kweku Menu se Kweku Menu mesrew wo pese wudi matem na wudi matem a o de brana be di matem but mesrew yimame wota film membo mame wota din wo bebiada wone sa afela man wo bra afela man mamo mbo mame wota din wo bebiada mu de mu pese wudi matem mo bra be di matem but mamo mbo mame wota din na asemwe wo si so 6 times etie for it tells you how serious Ono Evangelist Adai will take it this matter. Was he so 6 times and I waka chen say Kweku Menu membo mame wota din biom di matem membo ma me water din biom o si so bako 6 na etie for nansen wo hwe Evans Adai videos a wo ya ebia 14 minutes 20 minutes, but this particular video it was close to an hour. I think it was 50 minutes or so then. What I said, close to an hour. It tells you how serious Evans Adai will take it this particular issue. Ena kweku menu nsensema eya ono kweku menu ne kan wo kire se Evangelist Adai no wo bo na yere wono Evangelist Adai no wo ye nkrofo yakayaka de wo ye mba yakayaka de wati ase ena Adai ne boss say one thing I wono Adai ne ma me kire no ene say won treat all women well. Nti at least ono Adai de eba mba de a wo treat you more well wonye oba bia yakayaka de nti asema kweku menu kan no enimu etie for winning some Evans Adai what they are to but send me di kan no I have seen the side of Evans Adai me hu da say wo kasa afa ma me water ho na wa ba bonti abema wo ne say mesre men kasa afa ma me water ho biom no normally wo kasa wono so be ba na wa be ne dia wati ase won srew ana won ma wo ne na bibi ba we dey to me say asem no e ya de a eye ne ya chewadwen e wo comment box no we tie for me da say